absolutely amazing to see the ability of the human being to master the laws of physics, to come together with complete dexterity, precisely co-balanced formation. And this is the one-wheel riding Constable Saji KS of the SSB moves forward with courage and composure. A light breeze catching the flag, but definitely not throwing anybody off balance. Approaching the saluting base, we have the Sarvatra Suraksha formation.
एसएसबी की निरीक्षक शहनाज अपने 18 साथी जवानों के साथ, सीआरपीएफ की कांस्टेबल सीमा पुंडीर अपने 11 जवानों के साथ सर्वत्र सुरक्षा की फॉर्मेशन में। बहादुरी के साथ अगर कुशलता जुड़ जाए तो क्या परिणाम होता है, ये परिणाम होता है। और एक पंक्ति जो हम अक्सर दोहराते हैं ऐसे प्रदर्शनों में कि आप ऐसे प्रदर्शन न करें।
It's very risky, absolutely. And now going past the saluting base, we have the formation Jungle Warrior. Assistant Commandant Rishu Shrikant Palande of the CRPF, along with 11 of his fellow soldiers, demonstrating remarkable target acquisition during an encounter with Naxalites.
वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन डिजिटल इंडिया इंस्पेक्टर ज्योति यादव और कांस्टेबल ताहिर एसएसबी अपने 10 साथी जवानों के साथ और हवलदार सरिता बिष्ट सीआरपीएफ अपने 4 साथी जवानों के साथ इस आधुनिक युग के डिजिटल भारत की नवीन संचार तकनीकों को दर्शाते हुए।
And now approaching the saluting base, the beam roll, Constable Shivalila of the CRPF, along with 9 fellow soldiers, performing the beam roll on a moving bike at Kartavya Park.
This is famous.
It is said, and very rightly so, that the most effortless displays of skill and talent are and showing here.
और अब योग की शक्ति, भारत हमेशा से विश्व योग गुरु रहा है। योग की आवश्यकता को समझाते हुए कांस्टेबल ओम प्रकाश और नमिता एसएसबी अपने 4 साथी जवानों के साथ चलती बुलेट पर सूर्य नमस्कार की विभिन्न मुद्राओं।
Such balance, such perfection. And now, target going past the saluting base. Constable Soni Devi of the CRPF, along with 4 of her fellow soldiers, and Constable Navaprabhat of the SSB, along with his fellow soldiers, standing face to face in a moving bike, aiming at the target with courage and fearlessness. And from the target, touching the sky.
झूलो आसमान, हवलदार सुनील कुमार एसएसबी और कांस्टेबल नीलम गौरव 18 फीट की ऊंची सीढ़ी पर निडरता के साथ आसमान की ऊंचाइयों को छूने की कोशिश, और इनके साथ कांस्टेबल जितेंद्र एसएसबी अनूठे ढंग से सीढ़ी पर बैक राइडिंग करते हुए।
Many days of arduous practice, all on display here. The crowd absolutely enthralled. And now if you're touching the sky, well, right behind we have Garuda. Havaldar Rajkumar and Havaldar Reddy of the SSB, along with 12 of their colleagues, marching forward in the Garuda formation, symbolizing fearlessness, courage, and soaring high.
गर्व के पीछे वायु, कांस्टेबल रीना मलिक सीआरपीएफ अपने 6 अन्य साथी जवानों के साथ और कांस्टेबल शालिना सचेत एसएसबी अपने 6 अन्य साथी जवानों के साथ वातावरण में प्रदूषण को रोकने के लिए ये संदेश जन जन तक पहुंचाती हुई।
And now this formation saying what it means, concentration. Constable Sheikh Fajl of CRPF, along with 11 comrades rolling down Kartavya Path, butterfly formation, patience and concentration.
पावर CAPF SSB के 19 जवान 2 बुलेट पर सवार CAPF की शक्ति को दर्शाते हुए इसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं उप निरीक्षक कृष्णलाल। ये पिछले 13 वर्षों से SSB के टीम कोच हैं।
Living up to their name, Desh Rakshak, 42 CRPF women demonstrating the courage of unity and diversity, performing a stunning pyramid formation here at Kartavya Path. Riding, well, believe it or not, just 4 bullets at the same speed. The formation is being led by Assistant Sub-Inspector Joshi Catherine Eka, and the crowd delighted.
42 महिलाएं अनेकता में एकता का संदेश देश रक्षक की।
Our proud men and women performing here on Kartavya Path, and we are proud of them. And now, the human gaze, all eyes up to the sky from the direction asked will begin.
You want to sit here?
Time now for the grand finale, a thrilling flying display. This flying display is an outcome of the focused training and professionalism of the air and the ground crew of the Indian Air Force. The first formation onto your television screens, Arjun formation, named after Marshal of the Air Force Arjun Singh, Distinguished Flying Cross. Formation comprising 1 C-130G Super Hercules aircraft and 2 C-295 aircraft, the latest tactical transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Leading this formation is a C-130J aircraft from the Special Operations Squadron of the Indian Air Force, led today by Troop Captain Rahul Rawat. The motto of the squadron, Praharati Pratihanti, translating to strike to kill. Flanking it are 2 C-29 aircraft from 12th Squadron in victory formation, flown by Group Captain Shivam P.K. Vasan and Wing Commander S. Sachin.
जी हाँ, जमीनी कर्तव्यों के बाद अब बारी है हवाई कर्तव्यों की। भारतीय वायुसेना के वायु योद्धा वायु विचरण करते हुए जब नजर आएंगे कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर, तो आप अपनी सांसें थाम लें। साथ में एक C-130 एयरक्राफ्ट सुपर हरक्यूलिस के नाम से जिसे जाना जाता है, ये हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन राहुल रावत। 350 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से इन विमानों ने चंडीगढ़ से उड़ान भरी है।
Of the Indian Air Force. And now you can see the first formation, Arjun formation, led by Group Captain Rahul Rawat. Flanking it are 2 C-295 aircraft, flown by Group Captain Shivam P.K. Vasan and Wing Commander S. Sachin. Flying majestically up over the skies of the Kartavya Path. And now time for the Baduna formation, comprising 1 PHI aircraft of the Indian Navy and 2 Sukhoi-30 LKI aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Leading the formation will be Group Captain Akshay Kumar Raja with Commander Ashish Vashisht flying the PHI, and the Sukhoi-30 LKI of the Indian Air Force flown by Group Captain Jeetu Yadav with Squadron Leader Tanush Malik and Wing Commander Deepak Prasad with Squadron Leader Ram Sharma. The PHI, with its unmatched long-range maritime reconnaissance and anti-submarine prowess, and the Sukhois flanking it. Formation led by Captain Akshay Kumar Raja. And now you can see Bajrang formation comprising 6 Rafale fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Undoubtedly, one can say this wing along the Kartavya Path has stopped despair at these Rafales. The formation led by Group Captain Arun Kumar.
The two first.
Bhutan, Squadron Leader A.K. Beniwal, Squadron Leader S. Hasan and Squadron Leader Amol Garg, all from 101 Squadron known as the Falcons of the Cham. The squadron's motto, Anubhishya Bheti, seek and destroy. Rafale, only potent 4++ generation fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force.
जी आपसे कुछ ही क्षणों के बाद कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर से नजर आएंगे वज्रांग फॉर्मेशन में 6 राफेल विमान। नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन अरुण कुमार। वायु योद्धा गर्व और शौर्य की नई मिसाल कायम करते हुए कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर से वायु विचरण।
Choreography of power and precision. Each aircraft will be flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour, all set to touch the sky with glory as it executes the vertical maneuver over Kartavya Pass. The aircraft is being flown by Group Captain Amit Bihani along with Flight Lieutenant Utkarsh Sharma of 17th Squadron, known as Golden Arrows. Their motto, Udayam Adjustment, meaning ever rising skyward.
विजय फॉर्मेशन कैप्टन अमित बिहानी से उड़ान भरी है।
Doing series of rolls, going up, and finally would disappear into the blue yonder, signifying the motto of the Indian Air Force, Nabha Prisham Deepam. Vijay stands as a salute to the spirit of India, resolute and rising.
उपस्थित जनसमूह आह्लादित है, उल्लसित है, रोमांचित है। वायु योद्धाओं